going to show you how you can get your Cameo 3 to write and cut at the same time. For that I made a pattern. Actually I have two here. So I have the red pattern here and I have the blue pattern here, and they are not combined or grouped, they should not be. Then I'm going to the scent to my Cameo and I'm going to highlight the sign here, and I'm going up here and clicking on the nothing button. You can see the red part went away, and this is all standing right for my paper and for cutting, and that's the red tool. Then I go down here to tool number 2, the blue one, and I'm going to open that up, and my sign is still selected here, and I'm going down here and put it to cut, but I don't want it to cut, I want it to draw or sketch. So I'm going over here and taking this and I'm going down to sketch like that, and now it's ready for you to cut and sketch your drawing. So now I take my pen for my Cameo and I'm making sure that it is drawing, and it is. And I have my knife placed by the red circle. Then I have my blue circle here, and that's where I'm going to insert my pin. Make sure it's all the way down and it's locked. And I made sure that this knife is standing correct, so now all there is to do is print. And there you have the result. And when you're done, remember to take out your pen and put the cap back on so it won't dry out until next time. So I hope you like this video, and happy crafting!